Hello and welcome to the highlights of day 1 of the Sabah qualifiers in which India faced off against Nepal. The first quarter was a bit of a lopsided affair as the Indians clad in white jumped out to an early lead. India entered the scoring column first with a nice out of bounds play leading to a jumper by captain Vishesh Raghuvanshi. After Nepal failed to convert on a sideline play, India attacked in transition and Raghuvanshi scored his second bucket on a nice left-handed finish off the glass. Amritpal Singh showed his defensive instinct as he swatted away a layup attempt by Nepal. After an air ball, the Indian team pushed the ball in transition. Akhilan Pari threw the perfect pass to Amritpal Singh, who absolutely smashed a dunk to earn Play of the Day honors. On a fast break opportunity, Nepal's Sadish Pradhan channeled his inner Kobe Bryant with his beautiful fadeaway for Nepal's first bucket. More good defense by India as Rikin Pithani blocks a shot out of bounds. In semi-transition, VB9 loses his defender with a slick spin move and lays the ball with the left for an and one. The first quarter ended with a score of 23-4 in favour of India, but Nepal would fight back in the second quarter. The Indian team started the quarter with some picture-perfect ball movement, leading to a wide-open three-pointer by Basil Philip. On this isolation play, Sadish Pradhan sized up his defender and sinked a tough three-pointer. Pradhan was clearly on fire and Nepal ran the loop play for him where he came off a screen and calmly drained a mid-range jumper. Another display of great ball movement by India, but the basket was unfortunately waved off due to an incorrect 3-second call by the referee. The Indian team lost its focus on this play, throwing a lazy and ill-advised pass, which was promptly laid in by Sunam Lama. With the shot clock running down, Ayush Singh was forced to shoot a contested three-pointer, which surprisingly went in off the backboard. Sunam Lama secured the loose ball and converted on a ridiculous up and under layup to end the quarter. Despite outscoring India in the second quarter, Nepal still trailed by 15. Amritpal Singh made an absolutely spectacular block, but Binod Mahajan came up with the offensive rebound for the score. Ashim Shrestha threw a gorgeous pass to Vikram Joshi who absorbed the contact for the and one. Nepal further bit into India's lead by securing the offensive rebound and hitting the old school hook shot. After an unnecessary gamble by Nepal, TJ Sahi found Arshpreet Bhullar for the wide open three-pointer. The Indians once again displayed great ball movement, scrambling Nepal's zone defense and finding Amritpal Singh for the easy score. Amritpal Singh once again showed his Tokyo excellence by throwing down a one-handed dunk off the air ball by Ravi Bhardwaj. Binod Mahajan drove in and scored thanks to a great pump fake. India pushed their lead to 28 points, but the fourth quarter ended up being a lot more competitive. Here we saw a great decoy play where one player comes off multiple screens only to be followed by another player, in this case Ayush Singh, who calmly made the three. Azim Shrestha again showed off his old school hook shot with his drive and score. It was Nepal's turn to push the ball in transition. Sunam Lama did a great in and out crossover to open the lane and finished off with a pretty layup off the glass. The Indian team responded yet again by great ball movement, and it was Arshpreet Bhullar who was the benefactor of a beautiful assist by Arvind Annadurai. Nepal again ran the fast break and after missing the first opportunity, made sure that the putback was good. Finally, Arshpreet displayed his court vision with his beautiful cross-court drive to Arjun Singh, who calmly knocked down the three-pointer. The final score was 81-53 in favour of India. Don't forget to subscribe to Eklavya's for more.